Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
included in definition of substance abuse syndrome is in definition of substance abuse syndrome use despite knowing that it can cause physical or mental or harm. This is true. Tolerance to the drug is seen. Recurrent substance abuse is seen. Tolerance of drug is seen, but it is not included in the criteria. Use despite substance-related legal problems is included in the criteria. Withdrawal symptoms and tolerance of drug are not included in the criteria of substance abuse syndrome. First, we will see the criteria of substance abuse disorder syndrome. So, in the criteria, first, recurrent use, and because of this recurrent use has resulted in failure of work or failure of school or failure at home. So that is first criteria. Second, there is recurrent use in conditions where it is hazardous. Okay, that is second. Third, the substance abuse will result in legal problems. The substance abuse can cause social problems or interpersonal problems can be seen because of the substance abuse. Then, withdrawal and tolerance are actually the criteria of substance dependence criteria. Okay, the criteria of not the substance abuse. These three are the criteria of substance abuse, so they are not in substance abuse. Okay, but right now, according to DSM-5, these substance abuse, according to DSM-5, substance abuse and even substance dependence, substance abuse and substance dependence, both these are removed and these are actually replaced by substance use disorders. Now we have only substance use disorders. So, in the question, in substance abuse syndrome, use of despite knowing its physical and mental harm, recurrent substance abuse, and use despite of substance-related legal problems are seen. Tolerance and withdrawal are actually the criteria of substance dependence.
thank you and thank you for watching.